Hey there, folks. Welcome to Blues Day Tuesday on the Baritone Ukulele. This is probably episode 3, I believe. So what we're going to do today is kind of a Thrill Is Gone, B.B. King type of a blues progression. We're going to be able to use our pentatonic minor scale, even add our little flat fifth in there and make it more bluesy. We'll talk about getting up into these higher positions a little bit, all our good blues scale notes. So let's get on into it. The chords we're going to use, G minor. Now you could make this easier by doing an open, but it doesn't have that G in the bass. So we're going to kind of have a, think about Thrill Is Gone. Thrill is gone. So our basic strum would be like, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So it's basically like a down, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's our basic strum. Let's try that. 3, 4. Now we're going to go to C minor, 5, 5, 4, 3. Back. Now we can jump up here and get 7, 5, 7, 5. That's a D7. Back to the C minor. Back to the G twice. Okay, so let's look at our pentatonic minor scale for G. 5 right here is a G, 3 down here is a G. So that's your root note. We're gonna have 5 and then 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. You can also use that 3, get back in that 5. You could also add this note, the flat fifth. It makes it official blues scale. Okay, you can also get up in here and think about moving up into these higher positions. And that's the finger you see it most used in this type of a thing, because when you slide into that new area, you have a finger waiting for the next note of the scale. Whereas if you went, you have a finger there, but now you're into your pinky, and these two fingers are not as savvy as like your first and third fingers. Like I've had to do all that. It makes things a little bit more complicated. So people end up using certain fingers. That kind of stuff. Even if it's like stretching, because normally you have a finger on each fret kind of thing. Okay, just some ideas for your soloing there. So, you have your scale. I'm going to play some chords. You guys go ahead and jam. 3, 4. Starting over. Keep going. I'm going to add some new chords. So it's kind of a tough one there. 5, 2, and 4. So what's happening here is I went from a minor to a minor, major 7, 5, 4, 4, 3, to a minor 7, 5, 3, 4, 3, to a 5, 2, and 4. That's just some jazzy stuff if you want to add some new stuff. So a full progression with that C minor major 7, C minor 7, and then C minor 6 is going to be like, so we got our G minor, 4 bars. Now we got our C minor thing. Back to G minor. Now up here we have an E flat major 7, 8, 7, 8, 6. To that D7 that was 7, 5, 7, 5. Back to our G minor. And sometimes I like to go do those 2 highest chords again. 8, 7, 8, 6. 7, 5, 7, 5. And back. So let's try that again. You guys go ahead and jam or try to play this rhythm with me. Either one you want. 3, 4. C minor. Highest chord, back to G minor, and then the highest 2 chords again. One more time through. I'm just going to do the D7, C minor. So that's kind of the more basic progression. And just stay on this. Now we're going to do one more. I'm going to do the more fancy progression. Highest. And then the 2 highest again, turn around. Okay, and let me just show you one more thing. Got some blues playing. All right, thanks for watching Blues Day Tuesday, number approximately 3. Let me know if you have any requests. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks a lot.